Today's customer brought a safe inside of his van from out of state. Our mission is to remove it from the van and place it inside of the apartment. When the gun safe was loaded, it was laid on its back. To avoid damage to the van body or to the bumper, we decided not to slide it out onto the ground. Instead, we opted to raise it with our hydraulic equipment, set our truck ramp on the van bed, and then winch it to our truck. After it is inside of our truck, we stand the safe up and winch it down the ramp. Now that it is on the street, we just wheel it towards the apartment to the desired position. Inside of the apartment, we protect the flooring with moving pads and steel plates. And that is it. Another happy customer. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe.